Hi everyone, I'm Rox from Prosperous Marketing Team. Our mission is to empower 100,000 SMEs with simple and affordable e-commerce software tools to help you grow your business. Welcome to the associate level of the Prosperna Training Certification Series. Previously, we taught you about buyer personas. For this lesson, we'll cover product packaging for your e-commerce business. Packaging shows off your product in the best way, displays its value, and is another way to communicate to your customers. What does the perfect packaging do for your business? Let's discuss 3 things why product packaging is important through function, branding, and competition. Number 1. Protect your product. The primary purpose of packaging is to allow a customer to properly store your product. When it comes to marketing, this is the physical appearance of your product that people can see and touch. Think about the shape, size, and material you will use, whether the product needs to be boxed, wrapped, or sold on its own to prevent damage. How you dress your products, whether it's pleasing to the eyes or well packaged, will influence the purchasing decisions of your customer. Number 2. Promote the brand. Since packaging is a visual representation, it plays a role how your brand is displayed in the market. With the growth of e-commerce and thousands of products being shipped to consumers every day, the importance of your product packaging will increase. Apart from the actual product name, you should include company logo, consistent fonts and colors that you use on your website, a call to action promotion to motivate customers to reorder from you. Brand awareness is how easy it is for customers to recall and recognize your brand in different circumstances, whether it's associating it to your company name, logo, and even packaging. It helps the customers understand the brand's product and service categories and which problems the company is solving for their target market. Brand awareness is of great importance since customers will not consider your brand if they know nothing about it. The call to action is the way to get a return on investment of the money that you're already going to have to spend on packaging. Number 3. Standing out from the competition. When shopping online or in store, there's a lot of different brands to choose from that sells the same products. In the traditional world, think about how many products a consumer can see on the shelf. Now in the online world, multiply that number by the thousands. A well-branded packaging helps your business stand out from competition in the market, which makes it more important online. For example, you enjoy trying a new snack. Your first instinct would be to take the packaging and look at the brand so you can eat it again. The same goes for when customers look for your product. Packaging makes it easy for them to identify your product in store or online. That's it for this lesson. Here's a refresher to help you remember. Protect your product, promote the brand, stand out from the competition. Next time, we'll talk about customer loyalty. You can also visit our website for more online resources at www.prosperna.com/resources. See you on our next training course. Happy selling!